Hi, welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to be customizing this shirt using Pastel Puff HTV from TeckWrap. This Pastel Puff HTV sheet pack comes with 14 pieces. It means that it comes with 14 different colors. All the colors that are here are pastel, and this Pastel Puff HTV is compatible with cotton, polyester, and polycotton blends. It has a durable and efficient quality, excellent adhesion, and is easy to cut with and apply. They are ideal for shirts, t-shirts, hoodies, accessories, and soft home decor items. Let's see what colors we can find on this sheet pack. Here we have the cut settings of our different types of HTV, and here you can find the puff one, and these are all the colors that comes on this sheet pack. They are really beautiful. These are the pastel puff that we're going to be using for today's project, and I'm also adding this black puff HTV also from TeckWrap. I'm going to set the temperature of my machine to 320. Remember that I'm using the Fahrenheit option. And the time we're going to leave it on 15 seconds. Here I have my design and I'm going to be working with layers. So I'm going to cut the black part first and then I'm going to cut all the other parts of my design. Remember, when you're working with HTV, you need to mirror your design. TeckWrap says that for this type of material, we have to use 15/4/4, speed 5, and the blade depth 3. I have one piece ready over here, and now I'm going to do the same steps with the other puff HTV. Now that I have all my designs cut on my puff HTV, I'm going to do the weeding of each one of them and then place it on my shirt. Here I have my shirt, and I'm going to be placing the first layer of my design and secure it with some heat tape. Now let's press the first layer of our design. Now that it's done pressing, I'm going to remove the film on hot peel. And you can easily see the effect of the HTV puff. I really love it. Now let's follow the same steps with the other layers of HTV. And here you can see the final result of our shirt using the HTV puff from TeckWrap. I really love it, it turns out amazing, and this effect of the puff is really cool. If you like today's project, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one, bye!